Dental implants provide a long-term solution for a patient that allows them to have teeth that look and feel natural. Here at the Texas Center for Oral Surgery and Dental Implants, one of the questions we commonly get asked is whether or not a patient is a candidate. By staying up to date on the most current research, using the latest and greatest in terms of technology, and focusing on high quality materials in a minimally invasive way, we can make almost any patient into a great candidate for dental implants. We have helped countless patients who were told that they weren't candidates for dental implants by offering unique procedures such as zygomatic implants, where they're placed in your cheekbone, or full arch options that avoid grafting to make the process easier and smoother for a patient. Sometimes a patient might even be a candidate for an immediate implant where a tooth can be removed and an implant can be put in its place at the same time. That opportunity gives the patient the chance to have a tooth replacement in a very short amount of time with a single surgical procedure. At our practice, with our surgical experience and the high quality materials that we use, there's no limit to the surgical options that we can provide a patient when it comes to their dental implants. We would love the opportunity to meet with you and discuss your options and find out how we can help you get this life-changing treatment.